Everyone loves the finish line. It's what we dream about. But to get there first, to set the benchmark, you've got to dare. Until you take that first step, you are just potential. All what-ifs and maybes. The first step is electric, a fearless ignition, and a rattling in the foundation of your limits. The first becomes a few, becomes many. And one by one, the limits fall away. Until you find yourself flying. Unstoppable, near indestructible. For those who never settle, the first step isn't just for show. It's a commitment. Everyone loves the finish line, but the heart is in the start. Power on, limits off.